Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You will sign in now and verify prerequisites so sync runs smoothly. First, open OneDrive and sign in with your Microsoft account. This establishes the link between your desktop and cloud. Once signed in, make sure the app is updated and you have enough storage, otherwise files will pause. Also, connect to a stable network and power source. Large folders can take time. Now, locate the OneDrive folder in File Explorer or Finder to prepare for the next configuration step. Next, configure exactly what syncs so you control space and bandwidth. Open OneDrive settings, go to Account, then choose Folders, pick Desktop, and any other folders you want mirrored. If disk space is tight, enable Files on Demand so files appear without full download. If you need offline access, turn it off for specific folders. Adjust Office integration to auto-sync Office files and set upload limits to avoid saturating your network. Once done, confirm the desktop folder shows the OneDrive icon overlay. To finish, verify that files on your desktop now show OneDrive overlays and that the system reports synced or syncing. Click the OneDrive icon to review recent activity and open any conflicted files to choose which version to keep. This prevents duplicates. If something goes wrong, first try restarting OneDrive and signing out then back in. That often clears transient errors. Make sure you have storage left and run the built-in repair tool if needed. Finally, test by creating a new file on the desktop to confirm sync.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.